Prairie View A&M University's Wellness in Houston project has the goal of addressing health disparities and food insecurities in limited resource communities throughout the greater Houston area. With the mission of promoting health, wellness, and nutrition, we bring to you today, What's Cookin' with Wellness in Houston, a guide to beginning your journey to eating healthier with quick, simple, and tasty recipes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, I'm on this new health journey. Something smells really good, and maybe I can teach you some recipes.
Well, you're in the right place. Prairie View Wellness in Houston project. We offer different education and nutrition programs, so we can definitely help you on this health journey.
Yeah, we can do that. That's right. What we're doing today is we're preparing 3 different recipes from our research-based curriculums, Eating Smart, Being Active, and also our Choosing Health, Food, Fun, and Fitness. And if you just sit back and relax and just watch what we do, and then you can taste after we're finished.
All right, well, I look forward to my taste.
Thank you. Okay, for our first recipe, Miss Tisha's gonna make a fruit pizza. Now, the first thing you wanna do once you're doing your recipe, when you're cooking, you wanna make sure that you read your recipe first. So, for our recipe, we have English muffins that has already been pre-toasted. We have our cheese spread. Then we have our fruit, which is a winning fruit of your choice. We have strawberries, we have bananas, and we have blueberries. Okay? And then she's just gonna take the spread, she's gonna spread it over the English muffin, and then she's gonna put the fruit however she chooses.
First, we're going to start with our muffin. We're going to spread our cream cheese spread over it, covering the muffin completely. Next, we're going to add the fruit of our choice. For you guys, I have strawberries.
And she's just putting it as she desires to put it.
I have blueberries. And banana.
And voila! Now we have our fruit pizza and it's ready for tasting. Okay, the next recipe we will prepare is a veggie pita pocket. The ingredients calls for whole wheat mini pita pockets cut in half, cucumber, carrots, and low-fat creamy salad dressing, in which we're going to modify, and we're going to use Italian low-fat dressing. We also is going to use kale greens and cherry tomatoes, which will give it a sweet taste. So what Tisha's going to do, she's going to open up the pita pocket and she will stuff it with cucumbers, and then she will use the carrots, stuff with the carrots, and then she will stuff with the kale. See how pretty the different colors are? And then she will use the cherry tomatoes. And once she has her pita pocket all stuffed and pretty, and then she will drizzle a tablespoon of Italian dressing. And there it is, the veggie pita pocket. For our next recipe, we will make chili tomato macaroni. The ingredients calls for ground beef, 85% lean, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of macaroni uncooked, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a mixture of seasonings, and salt to taste. And we will be using ketchup, which is a staple in everyone's cabinet, and we will use it as an option to use with our ingredients. First, you ground the ground beef, and you want to make sure all the ground beef is cooked until every red piece is gone. After that, you will pour in your water. You will pour in your macaroni, your tomatoes, your chili powder, and your seasoning mix. We will not use the ketchup until it's finished to please the taste, enhance the taste. You will stir. And after we stir, you bring it to a boil. And sometimes you might just have to increase your heat to make sure that it's hot enough for it to boil. And once it starts boiling, you will cover it with the lid. And it will simmer for 20 minutes until macaroni is tender. Now our chili tomato macaroni is ready, and now Miss Tisha will plate it for taste. Looks good. Now, Wellness in Houston, we have finished preparing our 3 recipes, and now we're ready for Mr. Hale to come in and taste.
Oh, wow. Everything looks so amazing. What do y'all have here?
We have the fruit pizza, the veggie PITA, and chili tomato mac.
Okay, so where do I begin?
Whatever's your choice.
I'm going to start right here with this fruit pizza. Let me get right on in there. I like the fruits, especially the blueberries.
Yeah, you can choose whatever fruit you like, and it can be made for kids or adults.
Okay, do I taste a little honey?
Yes.
That's just a little garnish.
Okay, so let me try this pita pocket.
This is right.
Oh yeah, I really love the kale. That kale is really nice.
And that kale is very healthy for you.
The dressing is good.
That's a low-fat Italian dressing.
Oh.
Now, the recipe calls for creamy dressing, but we just modified and used the Italian dressing.
I really like that Italian dressing. I think how the creamy would be good too.
Okay, good. I'm glad you like it.
And so now we get into this. It smells delicious.
That is our chili tomato macaroni.
Oh wow, this is awesome.
Yeah, it tastes very well.
It is. Let me get
Kids
another bite
love
real
it.
quick.
All right,
I'm
Mr.
glad
Hale.
you like it, Mr. Hale.
Now that you have tried the 3 recipes, how confident do you feel about your health journey?
I feel really good about my health journey. So thank you, Wellness in Houston.
Thank you. Thank you for trying our recipe.
Thank you for tuning in. All recipes can be found on our Instagram page at PV Wellness HOU. Make sure to follow us to stay up to date on all activities related to wellness in Houston. For more information, email us at wellnesshouston@pvamu.edu.